Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the white cross, which has white center, white edges, and the other sides of the edges correspond with their centers. So red red, blue blue, orange orange, and green green. This is episode number 3 on how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the beginner's method. Let's head on to the intro. To solve the cross, we first need to have the daisy as we have learnt in the previous video. And first, we have to take any of the edges. First, we will take this red and green, red and white edge. Now we check the colored side, in this case red, and move it towards its corresponding edge, center, like this, because red is over here. And now these two match. Now we turn the cube like this and turn this layer twice so that this edge corresponds with the corresponding centers. We do this three more times. As you can see, the orange white edge is already solved. So we turn it twice. And we will move this blue white edge over here so that this matches, and turn it twice. In this, we also have the green white edge solved, so we turn it twice, and voila, we have the cross is solved.
Thank you for watching. Please show your love by subscribing to my channel, liking, commenting on and sharing this video.